Why tomatoes are the ultimate garden challenge and how to master them. Tomatoes reign supreme in home gardens, probably everywhere. But here's the twist. Despite their popularity, they're notoriously finicky. I've made all the mistakes, so you don't have to. Today, I'm sharing the 5 biggest blunders I'd never repeat, so you can skip the frustration and jump straight to bumper crops. Mistake croisillon 1. Ignoring the lower leaves. Those first leaves on your tomato plant? Critical for early growth. But once the plant is established, they're a liability. Rain or watering splashes soil onto them, introducing fungal spores and bacteria. Worse, they're buried in shade, contributing little to photosynthesis. Fix: snip all leaves below the first flower cluster as soon as the plant is in the ground. This boosts airflow and cuts off disease pathways. Pro tip: if you're burying stems deeper for extra roots, remove those leaves 3 à 5 days before transplanting, not on the same day. Fresh wounds in moist soil are an open invite for disease. Mistake croisillon 2. Starving your tomatoes. Good soil and water aren't enough. Unlike a self-sustaining forest, your garden takes more than it gives. Tomatoes are heavy feeders. They need consistent nutrients. The feeding routine, every 2 weeks. Granular organic fertilizer, 555 NPK, 1.5 TSP per plant. Bone meal, 1 demi-cuillère à soupe per plant, for phosphorus and calcium. Liquid fish emulsion, 2 à 3 tablespoons per gallon of water, covers 5 to 6 plants. Budget hack. If cost is an issue, prioritize the granular fertilizer. It feeds soil biology long term. Swap fish emulsion for a cheaper water-soluble fertilizer or mix them 50-50. Mistake croisillon 3. Overpruning, especially suckers. The internet says pinch every sucker. But that advice is for commercial greenhouses, where space is tight and plants grow 20 feet tall. In your backyard, overpruning equals fewer tomatoes. Why? Every sucker can become a new stem with its own flowers and fruit. Pinching them off removes potential harvests and stresses the plant. The rule? Never prune determinate or dwarf varieties. They're genetically programmed for a fixed size. Only prune if there's a clear reason. Branches dragging on the ground, poor airflow, or outgrowing supports. Mistake croisillon 4. Planting too late in hot climates. Early frosts aren't the only danger. Late planting can be just as deadly in warm regions. When temps hit 90 degrees Fahrenheit plus days and 70 degrees Fahrenheit plus nights, tomato pollen clumps and fails to pollinate. Flowers dry up and drop. The fix? Plant early so flowers set fruit during mild spring temps. Cherry tomatoes and heat-tolerant romas might survive the heat, but beefsteaks and heirlooms, they'll struggle. Mistake croisillon 5. Skipping shade close in summer. Yes, the plant tag says full sun, but tomatoes evolved as understory plants in dappled light. 6 to 8 hours of brutal summer sun, that's a recipe for stress, disease, and pest magnets. The solution? Let them soak up full spring sun. They need the energy to grow. By early June, install 40% shade close. This mimics their natural habitat and can extend productive life by 45 à 60 days in humid climates. Desert gardeners, try 50% shade. Final thought: tomatoes are forgiving, but only if you avoid these pitfalls. Apply these fixes and you'll see healthier plants and your best harvest yet. Now get out there and grow like a pro.